Right, today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy blackboard or chalkboard for a child's bedroom or for outside use. All you need is a brush, a small trim roller. Don't use this foamy roller. It's like what they put in these packs that you buy. Get rid of that. Use the furry one instead. That one will give you the better coverage. A tin of paint I've already mixed this, and well, not mixed it, I've already stirred it. I use a water-based paint. I find it a lot easier and it's a lot better to use. Plus, if you're using a Posca pen or a liquid chalk pen, if you use an oil-based pen, Posca pens are water, oil and water doesn't mix. And a piece of MDF. Now the MDF, this is quite a thick piece, but this is a piece I had lying around because I do chalkboard artist as a living. You only need a thin piece, 1/4 inch, 6mm, something like that. And you just go to your local timber merchants, get it cut to size, and then you can start doing your blackboard. If you're doing it outside, paint the back of it to seal it so it's waterproof. And this brush, make sure you paint the edges with the brush. I won't be doing that today because I'm only using this for my YouTube purposes. Right, let's just get going and then we can see how it goes. So we'll get this. Paint in. And get off. Fully load your brush. When I'm painting it, I will be fast forwarding it because it'll just become so boring. If you need it in a frame, I'd go to a charity shop and get yourself a cheap photograph, picture, painting with the frame you want. Take the rubbish painting out and get your board cut to size, then you can have it in a frame. But you won't need to if it's for a child's bedroom or anything else. Remembering though, if you are going outside, and this will be a quick sort of do. It will need, this is like the face of the board, the front of it, the part you'll be writing on or doing your design on. It will need 2 or 3 coats. If it's going outside, 1 coat on the back, normally enough, because you don't want water getting into it. Don't just keep going up and down in the same rhythm, go across. You don't want them lines on as much. In fact, we're nearly done. Might not even fast forward this. I use a maker paint called Rustin's, which is, I always find is a very good make. They're not sponsoring this or not being paid any money, it's just a paint I found that I can work with. A bit on the table there, doesn't matter, that'll soon come off. Right, that's your blackboard or your chalkboard, whichever way you want to call it. Some chalkboards are green, hence this is why I call this one a blackboard. And there you have it, one chalkboard. Now what I would do is, if you need to, whatever it is, no need to drill your board, screw it to the wall. You can, let me just get that off there. You can use these things. They come in all different shapes and sizes. They're 1, 2 kilos, and you just stick it on the back, peel it off, stick it on the back. It's a Velcro thing. It won't mark your wall, so it says on the instructions. You pull them off to get it off, but you don't need to. 1, 2, 3, 4 is enough. Up, stick it to your wall straight, and your kids will have a great time. That's part one. Part two, I'm going to be lettering this board up and doing different bits of artwork. Leave a comment, thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't. Thank you.